Pivot tables just got more powerful with the introduction of a new functionality that allows you to create them from data types and from in-cell pictures. I am Nabil Murad. The image function recently introduced allows us to get pictures inside a cell from an online source. But few days ago, a nice feature allows us also to insert locally stored pictures inside a cell. To add to the magic, we can now create pivot tables from data types and from in-cell pictures. Let's have a look. In this worksheet, I have in column A a list of countries. In column B, I have the continent where the country exists. So I'm going to assign some data types, a geography data types, because these are countries. I select the countries in column A. On the data tab of the ribbon, I click on the down arrow for data types and I assign a geography data type. A little icon appears to the left side of each country and the card appears in the upper right side of the selected list. This is called the insert data, and because now they are recognized as geography data type, I can insert the flag for each country. I click on the insert card icon and I have a list of fields that I can insert. I want to start by inserting the flag. From the list I select image, and voila, an in-cell picture for the flag has been inserted. I can also insert the population. I click on the card a second time, it's alphabetic. I go down to population and I inserted the population. Let's go and add the unemployment rate. So here I have the unemployment rate and let's add the area for each country. So I select area and here you go. I can sort this data. The in-cell picture can be sorted. So I select any country. I go to the data tab and I sort. And now I have the countries sorted alphabetically. And accordingly, the flag also is sorted in the correct order. I can create a pivot table out of this list. Then I go to the Insert tab of the ribbon. I click on Pivot Table. I want to create it in a new worksheet, so I hit OK. In the pivot table field list, I drag the continent to the rows. I get a unique list of continents. I drag the country below the continent in the rows drop area, and I drag the flag as well. Now I want to drag the population to the values area, and I would have created my pivot table. Let's change the layout. I go to the Design tab, and to the left side of the Design tab, I click on Report Layout and select Show in Tabular Form. I don't want a subtotal for the country. I select one of the countries, I right-click and take the check away from subtotal for the country. Now I created a pivot table from data types. I can see the continent, the country, and the flag of the corresponding country and the sum of the population. The card still exists. If I click on it, I get a bigger card, it expands, and I can get further information about this country. If you found value in this tutorial, give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel to be notified when new tutorials are released. The best is yet to come. Thanks for watching and see you next time.